Hey there, my name is Bhagyesh and today I'm gonna show you how to install Redis on Docker using command line. So first we'll go to the Docker website and see suitable version for the Redis. So this is the Docker. Here we are on the Redis page. So latest tag is 40 MB, but we'll use the Alpine one because that is the smallest one. Yeah, here you can see it is just 12 MB. Now we'll go to the terminal and we'll try to create a container. To create a container, command is docker container run. Name of image we'll just say Redis. Then port which need to be bind, so 6379 the container port and our local port which is same. Now name of the image and now the version of image that we will be using 7.0-rc-alpine 3.15. okay, now you can see, okay, Redis is created and it is ready to accept the connections. Now we'll go into Redis and we'll perform some commands. Let's create a new tab. Here we'll say docker execute -it redis sh. We will not able to execute bash here. Yeah, now I will go to the Redis CLI. Now if I say ping, it should be reply pong, right? Now I will say set name and example. Yeah, it says okay. Now if I get name, yeah, it says example. Now I will set age, that is 25. okay, it says okay. Now I will say get age. Yeah, okay. So in this way we are able to access the Redis container. Alright guys, that's all about this tutorial. I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you.